Here's some super obvious business advice once you know it. Stop sending people to the homepage of your website. Stop sending prospective clients to your website. I know you've got a link to your homepage on your business card. You've got a link to your homepage in your email signature. You've got a link to your homepage in your social media bios. Let me assure you, the link in my social media bios does not go to my homepage because that would be dumb. And here is why. The best homepages in the world convert just 2% of visitors, which means that out of every 100 visitors to hit that page, only 2 will become a lead, complete an inquiry form, hit the contact us button, sign up for a free gift, book a meeting, whatever. Only 2 out of every 100 will become leads. Now, if you have a long form landing page, and I'm sure you've seen lots of examples of long form landing pages, the worst of those convert 10% of visitors. So out of every 100 people that you get to the page, you convert 10. So we've got 1 in 50 or 1 in 10, which is 2 in 100 or 10 in 100. Now there is an example, there is a type of lead capture page that's even better than those two. We call it a lead capture gateway, and you can see an example of that in my bio right now. And the link in my bio converts over 30%. So rather than 2 out of every 100 people, we're converting 30 out of every 100 people. 2 in 100, 10 in 100, 30 in 100, that's 1 in 3. If you're selling knowledge and expertise, like if you're a consultant or a coach or a trainer or a marketing agency owner and you're turning over less than 100K, 200K, 300K, you probably don't need a website at all. You just need a high converting lead capture gateway that offers a gift of high perceived value to your target audience. You point people to that, people click on it, they opt in for the free gift, and you can follow up. You can follow up with emails or you can follow up manually, but now they're part of your world. Unlike a website that you spend thousands of dollars to build, people go to the homepage or any page really, look at some stuff and bounce. It's a credibility booster, but it's not really that important anymore, particularly if you sell knowledge or expertise. If you're running a retail shop or you're a dentist or you run a restaurant or you're an e-commerce business, sure, you're probably going to need a website to sell some stuff. Everybody else, you don't need it. Stop spending all this time and money tweaking and finessing your website, which is a complete white elephant when it comes to lead generation if you sell knowledge and expertise and services. Instead, just point people to a lead capture gateway, collect the lead, follow up, done.